Hey there, origami enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Creative Corner, where we immerse ourselves in the art of paper folding. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to bring a majestic tiger to life through the art of origami. The tiger is not just any animal, it's a symbol of strength and courage. It represents the wild beauty of nature, captured in the delicate medium of paper. Capturing this spirit into origami is not an easy task, but it's a journey that will undoubtedly test your dexterity and patience. So, gather your finest paper, a precise pencil, and let's embark on this origami adventure. We'll start by shaping the tiger's head and tail, breathing life into this majestic creature. This stage is crucial as it lays the foundation for creating even more complex entities in later stages. Remember, each fold you make is a step towards mastering this art. Every crease you make brings you closer to creating not just a figure but a story, a piece of art that is uniquely yours. Origami isn't just about folding paper, it's about expressing your creativity and connecting with a tradition that has been passed down through generations. As you craft your origami tiger with precision and care, let each fold be a reflection of your passion and commitment to this art form. The tiger you're crafting isn't just an animal. It's a symbol of strength and beauty captured in the delicate medium of paper. So take a moment to appreciate the journey you've embarked on, the intricate dance of folds and creases that have brought your paper tiger to life. Share your creation with the world, inspire others with your artistry, and continue to explore the endless possibilities that origami presents. Happy folding! And remember to follow us for more origami adventures in the future. Until then, keep crafting those beautiful creatures out of paper.